voice of the... The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Parker County in north central Texas, western Tarrant County in north central Texas, until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:43 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cool, or 9 miles west of Weatherford, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Halton City, Keller, Weatherford, Watauga, Benbrook, Saginaw, Minnow Wells, White Settlement, Forest Hill, Azle, Richland Hills, River Oaks, Kennedale, Everman, Sansom Park, Lake Worth, Eagle Mountain, North Richland Hills, and Willow Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 44 and 61. Interstate 20 between mile markers 394 and 442. Interstate 30 between mile markers 1 and 20. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill.